In a major development announced on January 21, 2025, General Dynamics Mission Systems (GDMS) has secured a game-changing contract with the U.S. Navy worth up to $808.6 million. The deal will see the production of Mk-54 Mod 1 lightweight torpedo kits, along with essential test equipment, spares and engineering support. This contract marks a critical step forward in enhancing the Navy's anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities, focusing on modernizing one of the most vital underwater weapon systems in service. The upgraded 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 torpedo features next-generation electronics and sonar processing systems that significantly improve its ability to detect and neutralize modern submarine threats. Designed for both shallow and deep water operations, this highly modular ASW platform integrates advanced guidance and control technologies to address the growing complexity of submarine tactics. At the core of the Mod 1 upgrade is the use of advanced sonar processing algorithms and high-speed digital signal processors, enabling the torpedo to detect, track, and classify targets with extraordinary precision. This technology can filter through background noise, adapt to thermal layers, and overcome advanced countermeasures used by enemy submarines. These advancements not only improve detection but also enhance targeting accuracy, ensuring successful engagements in even the most challenging underwater environments. The 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 is built to balance speed, range, and stealth, with its propulsion and warhead systems designed to minimize noise and reduce detection risk. This combination gives the torpedo a higher probability of kill (PK), particularly against quiet, diesel-electric and nuclear-powered submarines operating in difficult acoustic environments. In addition to the torpedo kits, the contract includes the delivery of sophisticated test equipment that will rigorously evaluate the performance of the 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 in production and operational settings. This ensures the system's components, from electronics to propulsion, meet the highest standards under real-world conditions. By utilizing hardware-in-the-loop (HIL) systems, engineers can replicate complex sonar interactions and other battlefield challenges, guaranteeing optimal performance when deployed. The contract also ensures continued support with provisions for spares and engineering services. GDMS engineers will remain engaged throughout the life cycle of the torpedo, delivering software updates and system recalibrations to adapt to evolving threats. This ensures maximum reliability and operational readiness in real-world conditions. GDMS's commitment to precision is reflected in their advanced manufacturing techniques such as additive manufacturing, high-precision machining, and automated assembly. These processes minimize tolerances, ensuring each torpedo kit meets the Navy's stringent requirements for reliability and durability. Looking to the future, the 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 also supports a modular open systems architecture, MOSA, ensuring the torpedo can easily integrate future technological upgrades and adapt to changing warfare environments. This flexibility makes it an integral part of the Navy's multi-domain strategy, with the ability to seamlessly share real-time data with other assets like surface ships or aircraft. The 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 is specifically designed to counter stealthy submarines equipped with low-frequency propulsion systems and advanced acoustic countermeasures. Its cutting-edge sonar and guidance systems, backed by machine learning algorithms and real-time processing, give the U.S. Navy a decisive edge in contested regions like the Indo-Pacific and North Atlantic, where submarine activity is intensifying. This contract represents a crucial step forward in the U.S. Navy's efforts to modernize its ASW capabilities, ensuring the 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 remains a formidable weapon against the growing threats in the underwater domain. With its advanced technology and unmatched performance, the 54 Malawian Kwacha's Mod 1 is set to redefine how the U.S. Navy defends against submarine threats in the years to come.